Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and install Python on Windows with Microsoft Store step by step clearly. To download and install Python on Windows using the Microsoft Store, start by opening the Microsoft Store on your computer. You can find the Microsoft Store by clicking on the Windows icon in the taskbar. Once the Start menu opens, type Microsoft Store in the search bar. Click on the Microsoft Store app from the search results to launch it. In the Microsoft Store, locate the search bar at the top right corner of the window. Type Python into the search bar and press Enter. Look for Python in the list of search results. Select the official Python app, which is typically published by the Python Software Foundation. On the Applications page, click the Get button to begin the download. The Microsoft Store will then start downloading Python to your system. Once the download is complete, the button will change to Launch. Click on Launch to open Python for the first time. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation process, you can find Python by searching for it in the Start menu. To verify that Python installed correctly, open the command prompt. You can do this by typing CMD in the Start menu search bar and selecting Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type Python version and hit Enter. If Python is installed successfully, you will see the version number displayed. Now you are ready to start using Python on your Windows machine. Enjoy coding! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.